TYPHON STOMP 507 Mini Skid Steer Loader. Brand new TYPHON STOMP 507 1,760 pounds, mini skid steer 13.5 horsepower gas EPA engine. Unleash the compact power of the TYPHON STOMP 507 Mini Skid Steer Loader, a versatile and reliable solution for small construction projects, engineered for easy maneuverability in confined spaces, designed to handle various tasks with efficiency. From digging and drilling to bulldozing and landscaping, delivers exceptional performance in a compact, economical package. Compact design for small projects, specially engineered for small construction projects, ensuring easy maneuverability, ideal for farms, gardens, public spaces, parks, orchards, and more. Perfect for drilling, digging, grabbing, and bulldozing, built for multiple construction and landscaping needs, ditch cleaning, small excavations, rock-breaking landscaping and construction purposes. Features a small but high-performance yet economical 13.5 horsepower engine, delivers smooth functionality, handles work without compromise, withstands intensive construction projects without sacrificing performance. TYPHON STOMP 507, your trusted partner on every job site. Smarter, stronger, more efficient. The next step in compact equipment.